You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this city. In Croatia, beautiful city, we need to learn the correct Croatian pronunciation, how it's said in Croatia. If you want to learn more useful names from Croatia, stay tuned. It's pronounced in Croatia Split. Split. So it's kind of pretty much like English. In English, the pronunciation is also as Split. Croatia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.